may have heard this saying when it comes to parenting: the days are long, but the years are short. Time moves faster than we think it does. So what can we do to maximize the time we have with our kids? Number one, don't miss the ordinary moments. When you're out with your kids, make it count. Whether it's meal times, car rides, morning routines, the moments before bedtime, each of these everyday moments is an opportunity for connection. Number two, set up rhythms. Outside of your regular weekly schedule, find some consistent rhythms that are intended to create relational growth. Sunday lunches, weekly game nights, or even watching and discussing your favorite show together. Those can all be great opportunities to strengthen your relationships. Number three, be spontaneous. You can't schedule all of the best moments. Sometimes you have to take advantage of the random. If you have an opportunity to do something fun with your kids out of the blue, just do it. Number four, prioritize your goals. What are the most important goals you want to take to accomplish in your time with your kids? You may not be able to accomplish everything you hoped for because time is limited. So start with the goals that matter the most. And number five, take care of yourself. Don't get caught up in constantly wondering, am I doing enough? Am I signing them up for enough things? Did I invest enough of my time, money, effort, and energy? There will always be more you could do, but you don't have to do everything. Parents, you're doing great. Keep going.